Add it in there. This is how I've always made my pasta salad. It's easy. You just get zesty Italian dressing, whatever kind of condiments you want in your pasta. Make your pasta till al dente. I forgot what these pasta were called. I think they're called ghigli. I'll see if I can find a picture of it. And I'm just gonna add it in there. Maybe about half the bottle. And give it a stir. We call this our obnoxious bowl because it's ginormous. You know how you're making something and you start making it and then you realize you don't have a big enough bowl? That's why we bought this. We actually bought it at a flea market. One of those flea markets that have like the housewares and stuff like that. We got this one, and then we got a little bit of a smaller one, and then we also have a baby one. So we have a baby one, we call the baby one the semi-obnoxious bowl, and then this is the obnoxious bowl. This way I can get everything incorporated, and I'm not struggling, nothing's falling out of the bowl. All right, everything's nice and coated. Now I'm going to store it right back where I had chopped up all the olives and the artichoke hearts and the Cuban pepper and all the things. And I'm just going to put it right back in the bowl. Now what I'm going to do is put this in the fridge and let it sit for a couple hours. I'll give it a taste test to see if it needs any more dressing. All right, guys, that's what it looks like. I did go back and add red onion to it. Like immediately after I shut the refrigerator door, I was like, oh, I wanted to put some red onion in it, so. Let me give it a taste. I'm going to try to get all the things. A little bit of olive, banana pepper. That's good. It works every time. Just get the zesty Italian dressing. Clean out your fridge. Get whatever you have in your fridge. Chop it up. Put it in with a box of pasta. I bought this pasta from Aldi. I'll have to find a picture. It was called ghigli. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Doesn't matter. I had a Cuban pepper, artichoke hearts, banana peppers, green olives, black olives, roasted red peppers, onion. And yeah, I made the pasta per the package instructions. It said till al dente. I let that cool. Then I started chopping my condiments. Mix everything together with the zesty Italian dressing. Done. And now I have a side for my lunch all week. Friends, them's good groceries. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Cheers.